racism, an activist, someone who is active. And that's what I was trying to be. I was reading books. I was going to rallies. Some people might call it racist. There's actually 3 categories. If you've read the book Stamped, you'll hear that there's 3 areas. There's anti-right, there's anti-racist, which is a person who works to end racism, an activist, someone who is active. And that's what I was trying to be. I was reading books. I was going to rallies. I was trying to be in that group. Then there's the opposite, which is someone who is racist, who discriminates against people of a certain group, and that sort of thing. But then there's a middle group. A middle group is what most people are. Most people don't actively work to end racism, and most people don't work to be in the racist group. So most people are in that middle group called an assimilationist. An assimilationist doesn't actively work to end it and doesn't work to be in the racist group. So, and if you read the Stamped book, there's one for young adults. Your age, might be a little heavy, but middle school or high school age would be the Stamped for kids. And Kwame, that's maybe right now. He was part of the co-author for the kids.
Yeah, talk about this.
So